And I realized that we humans had never made the kind of rolling paper that I was envisioning, at least not that I had ever seen. I realized we hadn't made it, at least in my belief.
Yeah.
And that's when I had the idea that I need to make this paper that I'm envisioning. I need to give these people the experience that I thought this was going to be. And that's when I had the idea for a concept for Raw. I even knew what I was going to name it after a Big Daddy Kane song, which is Raw. And in there, he's literally saying, raw like a villain, chilling like a villain 24/7. The meaning of raw is ready and willing. And so literally, you'll see our Instagram is Raw Life 247, 24/7. It's all tied into a Big Daddy Kane song. Long live the Big Daddy Kane.
Shout out to Big Daddy Kane.
Yeah.
Wow.
Again, he was rapping before you were born.
Yeah.
He was awesome. He still is. So it was like that because it was a feeling, an emotion you wanted to give, that feeling of that paper, and that feeling of giving it to someone raw.
That has I see what you did there.
Yeah.
But that has given the world and connected the world in so many different levels that I'm sure you envisioned. Did you ever envision this?
No, it wasn't supposed to be like this.
He was like, I've created a monster.
No, it wasn't like that at all. In my mind, it was like I was picturing my hippie friends with the dreads and it's like rainbow gathering people, like these real hippies that were really, 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 really into natural. Yeah. And I was going to make something for them. When I was in university and we were studying marketing, I learned real fast that it was always about top level marketing, like big marketing, and I never understood that. But what I could understand was niche marketing. That's where you're selling to a very small market. And I realized that I could handle that. I can deal with this. I can meet people. I understand them. I empathetically connect with them. I can make things for them, for that person right there, for him, for her, for them. I can make things for them. Once I understand them, I can do that. But to make things for millions of people around the world, yeah, bro, that's not me. That's not me at all, okay? So in my mind, I was making this niche little paper that was going to be for like my hippie friends.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I was like, oh, they're going to love it so much. And I
just want them to see what I saw. You
know
what I want to see.
So I'm going to make the paper vegan, and I'm going to make sure the glue's vegan, and it's going to be fucking awesome. This is going to be beautiful. They're going to love it. They're going to fucking love it. I'm going to make them the best rolling paper that's ever been made, is what I'm telling myself. The best ever. I know. I've studied so much. I know I can do this. I know I can do this. What I didn't understand was that everybody wants to smoke the best.